Danny Bautista, and I am the founder and CEO of Authentic Furniture, and we are located in Compton, city of Compton, and I've been in business for about a year now since I founded the company. But prior to that, I have been in business as a side hustle for about 5 years, so since 2015.
Oh, okay.
Well, coming to Cal State Long Beach, taking business classes and entrepreneur classes, I basically got a foundation of knowledge, how to start the process of founding a business. So I took the opportunity. Hey, I got something going right now. It's a side hustle, and I see opportunity in the market since there's not that many competitors in my industry for refurbishing furniture, and then potentially going on to an actual furniture company. But as of right now, I started with the logo, contacted people, contacted Dr. Martin for connections, hired a lawyer for trademarking the logo, started a branding identity spreadsheet to see how I'm going to grow with this logo and how to forward the branding to other people. Some of the lessons that I learned as being an entrepreneurial is that running a business is a roller coaster, has ups and downs. It's not as easy as it seems to be, although it comes with making yourself a salary and working on your own terms. It's just managing people, managing sales, trying to make sales at a certain point to cover cost expenditures, and just along with seeking out other potential people that can work with me in building the business. So far, I have graphic designers, 2 graphic designers, along with Christine, a marketer that's helping me market the social media aspect. And I'm also interested in searching for people who are on the specialty in sales and more of animation, so that way they can animate some logos here and there to make it more presentable to the customers, more appealing, and more inventory workers. Yes, doing something differently before, what I would do is collect capital first, because running a business without capital or barely enough capital is a slow process, and it's very hassling trying to search for capital and at the same time running a business, because that'll slow the process down of actually building the business.
So do you
Yes, taking the Apostle Enterprise Lab has made a huge success, as it also motivated me to excel in my furniture business. And I've also talked with Sam Lee about my business, which he contributed a lot of help to my success, which then led me to participate in some of the IIE Institute events, such as the mini hackathons and the mini events that happen along the way, such as building your business plan workshops and writing your business plan workshops and such, which without taking those classes in the beginning, I don't think I would be where I'm at today.